Is your Azure Data Factory running smooth, or are there jobs that keep running that may cost a lot of money without anybody noticing? If you're looking for a simple way to get grip on your Azure Data Factory, keep watching. Microsoft Azure Data Factory is a fantastic ETL tool which is widely used by our customers for orchestrating data movement. While working with our customers and our implementation partners, we noticed that although the functional part of the requirements was met by using ADF, there were still some unaddressed pain points to enable proper support all up. So the idea for this simple but efficient monitoring service was born while investigating failing ADF jobs that kept running non-stop for days without anybody noticing this was happening. With the FullData ADF monitoring and alerting app, it's easy to get grip on your Azure Data Factory environment. With its 360-degree view, we provide you with the bigger picture to help you optimize your operations and alert you when ADF is not running as usual. Let me show you the dashboard. The 4 tiles at the top address the questions we get from Operation Manager and team leads, and it provides a 360-degree view. Are we doing fine, or do we need to improve our ETL operations somewhere? They provide the relevant information for easy decision making. It shows, are we okay on cost overall, and how are we operating compared to last month? Is there a relative increase or decrease on the number of alerts or errors this month? Or do we spend significant more compute hours? The dashboard will show this in a glance and also compare the numbers with the previous months. The lower part zooms in on the operational insights. It shows the top 10 executions looking at the pipeline execution from various angles. They're all logically grouped. It shows details of data movement. For example, which of the pipeline's operations took most of the time to execute all up, which pipelines gave most errors, and which pipelines handled most of the data. And before I forget, we calculate the average runtimes of pipelines. So when twice the average is exceeded, we will send you an email automatically to inform you. This will bring you peace of mind. Are you interested to hear more? Please contact us at info@fulldata.nl.